Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back, my T-Bays. I hope you guys have had a wonderful weekend. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. Um, let's get loaded. If I sound a little drained today, I am. My dad is back in the hospital, and look, we had a time Friday night, so I'm tired, and I gotta go back. I came home for a little bit to take me a nap, and I was thirsty. So let's get loaded. Alrighty, so we got our collagen. Alright, we have our collagen. And today I'm making a fruit punch. And I don't know what I'm gonna call this drink. I think I'm gonna call it Carolina Punch. How about that? Carolina Fruit Punch. Alright, so today I have, I'm going to use pineapple. I am going to use orange. I'm going to use both of those. I'm going to use a little bit of lemon, not a whole lot, just to give it some citrus in there. All right, and we have our green tea. And mix this up. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to try it. My green tea is hot. Okay, I know that should be mixed up pretty well. It is. So we're gonna, turn it off. All right, we're gonna add our ice. All right, and our aloe vera juice. Now, I thought about this, and I'm like, I don't know how these colors are going to play off. But what I'm going to do is, I can use this. I'm going to use, definitely got to use this. My Hawaiian Punch Fruit Red. And I'm going to use my strawberry. And I'm going to use a little bit of grape. I got some grape. And I'm going to add my water to that. And let's mix it up. All right. And my girl, Drea, asked that she gave us a challenge to make a fruit punch. So we're going to see how this turned out. Now you know what we got to do next, right? This is Carolina Fruit Punch. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. That is good. And remember, guys, I have a 32-ounce cup that I'm making, so you adjust these flavors to the size of the cup that you're using. I don't drink this whole cup in one sitting, so I will be constantly pouring water on this. So here we go. It's our Carolina Fruit Punch, and we have the Hawaiian Fruit Punch, strawberry, pineapple, orange, and a little bit of grape. All right, guys, tell me what you think. If you're gonna try it, leave me a comment down below. Until the next time, bye.